Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to use these little 3D nail stickers. I just got them off eBay and they're the Louis Vuitton ones. So this set I'm going to do today is obviously Louis Vuitton, and as you know by watching my videos, I always do out my little diagram first, and one of the colours that I need for it is beige. So I don't have any beige, so I got my iPad and I got the colour table, and I'm going to make my own brown. So I had a little plate earlier and I mixed together the, hold on, I'll put that away, the Absolute Chromatones. Now these are discontinued, unfortunately, so I thought I would have a play with the Glitter Bells ones, because as we know we can get these. But let me just show you. So the Glitter Bells one, I had to make it sort of like 4 parts blue to 1 part orange, and it still didn't give me that nice sort of beigey colour. But I love to mix up my own colours. I've always done it. I custom blend for a lot of my clients, so I'm going to show you how I custom blend. So I'm going to use the OPI ones because obviously they are working for the colours that I need, and that was 1 part orange, 1 part brown. And I also use this Pastel Effects, and unfortunately guys, this is also discontinued. And basically what it does, it turns any colour into a pastel. So it's all very scientific, not really, but let's go. So the brown, I just got these little jars just from Primark. I think they were $1.50 for 5, and they come in all different sizes. So if I mix up big colours, very technical, I would have used my acrylic tip colours. So because I only need a small amount, I'm going to use my little tool, my Nails pinching tool that has your cuticle pusher and your little cuticle tool at the back. So this is how I make up my colours. So on the little colour table, blue and orange make brown, so does red and green, and so does yellow and purple. But I'm going to use the blue and the orange. So I'm going to start with the blue, and I'm doing 3 parts blue to 3 parts orange. 2, 3. And then I'm going to close it up and mix it up. And it's given me a lovely brown colour, so let's just see how that turns out. The reason I wanted a brown colour is the Louis Vuitton bags, you know, a lot of them come in sort of brown colour. Let me just get a thing here to show you. So this is just an old brush that I use for doing this. So as you can see, that's quite dark, and it's too dark for what I want. So I'm going to add in the Pastel Effects. Do you know, I'd love them to bring this back out, because you would absolutely love it. You really would. You know, no matter what colour you have, it's going to turn them pastel. So I'm just going to put in 1 to start off with. In fact, I'll actually put in 2. I'm going to give that a shake about. So you want to make sure that it's really shook up well. Okay, and now we'll test that colour. So that's much better. That's more or less the colour that I'm looking for. So it's only for 2 nails, so I think that's enough. So thank you for watching. This is how I mix up all my colours. You know, it's very easy to do. Very easy. Just go onto Google and just type in what colours make brown or what colours make green, and it will bring it up. And if you've got those colours in acrylics, and you want to make another colour, just blend them together and they work great. So I'm going to get cracking on now with the Louis Vuitton set, and I will see you soon. So just before I put it away, I'm just going to show you what the Glitter Bells one turned out like. So it was one part of the orange, which is lava lamp, and the other one was 3 parts of the royal blue, because when I first mixed them up, the orange just overtook everything. So I'm just going to let you see what that turned out like. So you can see the difference. One's, you know, I still think the orange is overtaking this one a bit. It's not too bad, but when it bleeds out, you can see an outline of orange. Do you see that? And then these two are the OPI ones, so that's the one with the pastel, which is the one I'm going to use. Okay, so I will see you in the video, and I'll be back soon.